Problem A4. If x minus 6 times 6 minus 2 over x equals 0, and x cannot be 6, then what would be the value of x? Let me use a clean piece of paper to solve this problem. Let me rewrite it again. If x minus 6 times 6 minus 2 over x equals to 0, x is going to be different from 6, and they're asking you what is the value of x. The challenge here is that they're telling you that x cannot be 6. If x cannot be 6, that means that I cannot put a 6 here. If I cannot put a 6 here, this will never become a 0. So I'm just going to deal with this part of this equation and see how can I make 6 minus 2 over x equal to 0. Because if I cannot plug in 6, and 6 will make this 0 and would be one solution, then I have to work with this term right here. So 6 minus 2 over x equals to 0. So I'm going to rewrite this again. I'm going to say minus 2 over x equals, and this 6, you see here, I'm going to move it to the other side. So instead of being positive 6, it's going to become negative 6. Then both sides are negative. So what I'm going to do is multiply by negative 1, because I don't like to work with negative numbers. So negative 1 times negative 2 over x is going to be only 2 over x. Negative times negative, positive. Negative 1 times negative 6 is going to be positive 6. So 2 over x equals to 6. So let me flip both sides. If I flip this side on the left, instead of 2 over x, it's going to be x over 2. Then I have to flip also the other side. So x over 2 equals to 1 over 6. But the question was, what is the value of x? So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. This cancel, and the value of x is 1/6 times 2, which is 2 over 6, which is the same thing as 1/3, and the answer is G. And by the way, this is not the only way that you can solve this problem. You can do it like so many different ways, but the answer will always be the same, 1/3.